Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel webcodecamp. In this tutorial I am gonna showing to you how to create a Vue.js project and full installation process. In this tutorial I'm gonna showing to you how to set up Node.js and Vue.js CLI and set up full project. Vue.js installation. Then Vue.js installation process. I will install the Node.js and install Vue.js CLI. Set up project, and I'm gonna showing to you run project Vue.js. Okay, let's start the video and simply put here Node.js, click the enter, and after that you can install Node.js first link like that, node.js. Click here. Here you will find that two version like that, our latest version LTS and current version. Latest version like that recommended for users, and current version like that latest feature. Here I will recommend it to you. Install this latest recommended for most users LTS version. Install it, and already set up in my desktop. So for that I'll skip this download system. Okay, then you have to go to your Google browser again and search here npm install npm package node package manager. Okay, then click here. Then you will download this package and easily npm install download or package here GitHub repository dependency. Okay, promote, and I will check in my the node version like that node. Okay, then I click enter. That is my current node version. Okay, then I will check it again, npm version. Okay, here is my current npm version are here. Okay, so yes, I will come back in my current folder location. Okay, here I will click this and I'll put here like that cmd. Then it will open command promote. Okay, now I will install the package npm install g@vue/cli. Now I'm gonna your location. This is your current folder location. Okay, and make sure that connection with that with your internet. Okay, then click the enter. Okay, package.log.json is already downloaded in this here. Okay, you create here is your project name like that, test project. Okay, click this, click the enter. Okay, then you will show the Vue 3 and default Vue 2 prevalent is linked, and default Vue 3 I will default Vue 3. Okay, I click this here, and just I click this here, and you will show it test project is here. Okay, this is our project. It will maybe take a few minutes. Keep this video recording. Okay, okay, make sure that connection with internet. Okay, because after a few minutes it will successfully created this project. Here you will type npm run serve, run this, enter. Okay, this is your local server URL, and copy it and paste your and you have to go to your browser, then click this here, and successfully your install this Vue.js project. Now everything is okay. Now you will show that localhost is running now. Localhost is running now. So that's the our project setup and finish now. Now we can simply check it, and here we can see that this is our localhost location. So guys, this is our project, and today I will finish this now in my video. See you soon in the next tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching.